Dear students, today we are going to discuss the concept logarithmic differentiation from the topic differentiation. So let us see what is the meaning of logarithmic differentiation, or whenever it is useful to get the derivative of the function. Okay, so the function involving f of x into g of x, or f of x upon g of x, and f of x raised to g of x, such type of complicated functions, if you want to differentiate with respect to x, then the logarithmic differentiation method is useful. And while using that logarithmic differentiation method, we need to find out the derivative of log y with respect to x. And how will you get the derivative of log y with respect to x? It is by chain rule. It is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now complicated functions means, for example, see here, this is the complicated function, means y is equal to, in bracket, 6x plus 5 raised to 5 upon 3x square minus 1 into root of 8 plus 2x. If you observe this function carefully, then you easily understand that this is the complicated, and if you want to simplify this function to get the differentiation of that, then we need the logarithmic differentiation method. Similarly, second one is also complicated, because y is equal to, it is given that e raised to x plus 1 raised to x into x plus 1 raised to x plus 2. This is the type of function where it is f of x raised to g of x is given. See here, e raised to x plus 1 raised to x into x plus 1 raised to x plus 2, means function raised to another function. This type of functions are always complicated functions, or you can say complicated expressions. To simplify such complicated expressions, we need the logarithmic differentiation method. Now in case of log function, what we have to remember, whenever the base is e, see here, whenever the base is e, then it is called as natural log, and the log function to the base 10 is called as common log. Means whenever we use the logarithmic table, then the base is always 10, remember. And if the expression is given a raised to b raised to c, then a is the base and b raised to c is called as index. So you remember these two notes related with logarithmic function. Okay. Now let us recall some basic laws of logarithms. That is, first law is here, log of m into n is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Then second one is log of m upon n to the base a can be written as log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Then third one is log of m raised to n can be written as n into log of m to the base a. Then fourth one is log m to the base n can be written as log of m to the base a upon log of n to the base a. This is called as change of base law. Okay, by using certain base, we can write this term log m to the base n as log m upon log n. Similarly, here fifth one is log e. The value of log e is always 1. Whenever we write log e only, then base is always e. Then log e to the base e is always 1, or in general you can say that log a to the base a is always 1. And last one, that is log a raised to x to the base a is always x. So all these 6 laws are very useful to simplify the given function, and then we will find out its derivative with respect to x. So let us see your exercise number 3.3 from your textbook. So these are all complicated functions given to you, that in that case we have to simplify that function by using logarithmic laws. So see all these examples, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. From this 3.3 exercise, we will solve some examples in this lecture. Okay, so let us see the method of logarithmic differentiation, how it is useful to get the derivative of given function. Okay, so let us see first example, that is y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. Okay, I will solve this here. Okay, so see how to use the logarithmic differentiation method to get the derivative of this function. So in answer, I will write, given that given function is y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. Now before differentiating this function, we need to simplify this by taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, what will you get? Log y is equal to log of x raised to e raised to x. That is, next step, log y is equal to e raised to x into log x, because to simplify this, here x is base and e raised to x is index. So index can be written here by using logarithmic log. Now this is very easy to differentiate now. So differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. Then what will you get? What is the derivative of log y? By chain rule, it is 1 upon y into dy by dx. So remember the derivative of log y with respect to x. So it is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now to take the derivative of e raised to x into log x, we have to use u into v rule. So how will you use that? See here, e raised to x as it is into d by dx of log x, okay, plus log x as it is into d by dx of e raised to x. So this is by that rule. Now complete this derivative. So e raised to x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. All of you know this. Plus now log x as it is into the derivative of e raised to x is always e raised to x. Okay. Now we need to find out dy by dx. So rearrange this step like this. So left hand side is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, on the right hand side, see here, e raised to x is common. So take e raised to x common into bracket 1 upon x plus log x. See this step carefully. Now to get the final answer, means we need to find out dy by dx. So how will you get dy by dx? Take this y here. So it is y into e raised to x into bracket 1 upon x plus log x. Okay. Now I will write next step here. Last answer. So last answer will be dy by dx is equal to, now put value of y. Value of y is, see here, x into e raised to x. So we have to write that here. So x raised to e raised to x into e raised to x into bracket 1 upon x plus log x. Okay. So this is our final answer. So see how will you use the logarithmic differentiation method to get the derivative of the function like this. Okay. So this is the last answer, dy by dx. So first of all, here we have to take the log on both sides and then simplify using that logarithmic rules, and then differentiating both sides with respect to x, and then simplifying, we get the answer like this. Okay, now let us see one more example. See here, it is given as y is equal to x raised to 2x. So see here, how will you solve this? So given that y is equal to x raised to 2x. So see here, we have to use logarithmic method. So taking log on both sides, again taking log on both sides. So you have to write like this, taking log on both sides. What will you get? Left hand side is always log y. Log y is equal to log of x raised to 2x. Now what will you get after this? You will get log y is equal to, now see here, log of x raised to 2x. In this case, this x is base and x raised to 2x is an index. So you can write this here, x raised to 2x into log x. So this is the simplification by using by taking log on both sides. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x after this. So differentiate with respect to x both sides. Okay, so left hand side will be 1 upon y into dy by dx, and how will you get the derivative of x raised to 2x into log x? Again by u into v rule. This can be written as, now see, x raised to 2x as it is into d by dx of log x plus log x as it is into d by dx of x raised to 2x. So see this carefully, x raised to 2x. Now complete this. So left hand side is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to x raised to 2x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus, now see here, log x as it is, but here if you want to take the derivative of x raised to 2x, see here, d by dx of x raised to 2x, then again we need the logarithmic differentiation method because it is of the type f of x raised to g of x type. Again it is x raised to 2x. So we will complete this derivative by using separate derivative or by taking this term separately. Okay, so keep this as it is, say this is equation number 1. Okay, because here again we need the derivative of x raised to 2x, and it is possible by using logarithmic differentiation method. So keep this as equation number 1 and let suppose u is equal to x raised to 2x like this. So let us consider that this function as u is equal to x raised to 2x, and to get the derivative of u here with respect to x, we need to take the log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides again here. So what will be the next step? You will get log u is equal to log of x raised to 2x. Okay, now simplify this. So we get log u is equal to 2x into log x. Simplify by using logarithmic rule. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of log u with respect to x? It will be just like log y, it will be 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, now take the derivative of 2x into log x. So 2x as it is into d by dx of log x plus log x as it is into d by dx of 2x. Okay, so complete this now. So 2x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus here log x as it is into derivative of 2x is 2. Now try to simplify this. So we get 1 upon u into du by dx, left hand side as it is. Now here x will get cancelled, then just you will get 2 here, plus this can be written as 2 into log x. Okay, so what is du by dx finally? Finally we get du by dx as, take u to the right hand side, so it will be u into 2 plus 2 into log x. You can take 2 common also, and then replacing again u as x raised to 2x into bracket 2 plus 2 into log x. This is du by dx. Okay, so this is very important. Now we will complete the equation number 1 just by putting the derivative of x raised to 2x. See, du by dx means it is the derivative of x raised to 2x, that is x raised to 2x into bracket 2 plus 2 log x, or you can rewrite this as, by taking 2 common, we can write it as 2 into x raised to 2x into bracket 1 plus log x. So we will put this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes, see here, it will be 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, see here, x raised to 2x upon x, see the first term here, plus log x into, we have to take the derivative of x raised to 2x and it is here, so it can be written as 2 into x raised to 2x into bracket 1 plus log x. So complete like this. Here we replace the derivative like this. Okay, so now last answer is, we need dy by dx. So how will you get dy by dx? It will be, it is equal to y into bracket x raised to 2x upon x plus log x into bracket 2 into x raised to 2x into bracket 1 plus log x, bracket complete, and curly bracket also completed. So finally we get, now put the value of y here, that is x raised to 2x into bracket x raised to 2x upon x plus log x into 2 into x raised to 2x and then 1 plus log x. Okay, so this is our final answer. So while taking log on both sides, first of all we have to simplify the function and then differentiating both sides with respect to x. If we need to find out the derivative of some function with respect to x, then the logarithmic differentiation method is useful to get the simplification of this type of functions. Okay, so as a homework you try this type of functions again. In next lecture we will solve some examples from the exercise 3.2, 3.3 exercise. Okay, thank you.